I need somebody to answer this question. How is it Monday already? Yesterday was Friday. Today is Monday. I don't understand. But anyways, hi guys. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Today's video is gonna be, oh my god, I can't believe this dress is not fitting me anymore. I have to wear you by force. Anyways, today's vlog is a little bit different, or it's going to be a little bit different. This week is very difficult, or I'll say this week is a very long week for me because we are doing ASHP mid-year. This week is the ASHP mid-year week. And for those of you who don't know, it's for pharmacy professionals. Basically, it's the largest gathering for all pharmacy professionals where we meet. Usually, we used to meet in different places. It always rotates between Vegas, California, and New Orleans. And unfortunately, because of the COVID, similar to last year, we can't fly anywhere, so it's just virtual. But it's a virtual conference where they do different things, PPS, like professional placement services. They also do residency showcases, which I'm a huge part of because I'm the residency coordinator in my company. And then we do so many things, CEs, we talk about the advancement of the pharmacy career or profession and all of that good stuff, blah, blah, blah stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be very involved, so I wouldn't be able to vlog a lot. And when I come back from work today, I'll be too tired to open up my camera. So you guys will probably only see me tomorrow. More than likely only see me tomorrow, to be honest. So I'm just trying to get ready real quick and head out the door, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I know I said I will see you guys tomorrow, but I'll still tell you guys my to-do list today, just so that you guys are still in the loop. So I'm still continuing the Glow Up Transformation Challenge, obviously, even if I will not be vlogging it. Isn't the sunset beautiful? No filter, guys, no filter.
Two hours later.
So I want to do like a real quick underarm brightening. I have never tried underarm brightening in the past, and there has been this rave in the past couple years about using turmeric. So just for reference, this is the before, and I did have some turmeric, which I think I used about a week or two ago for when I was doing a reaction video from TikTok. And I did have a lot of the turmeric left over, so I was like, why not just use it in this video today? Again, I've never tried underarm brightening, so it's probably gonna be, I still see some ingrown hairs, but yeah, it's probably gonna be the first time that I will be trying it. I already have my gloves because you guys know the drill. Turmeric is very staining. So that's what I'm really up to this evening. I'm sorry if you find this disgusting, but this is a part of the body. I should probably put a warning at the beginning of this clip. So I saw different recipes online. Some even have different ingredients, and some of these ingredients I have at home, but I'll just do less is more. I love less is more. So I'm just going to use the lemon and the turmeric, and I'll leave it under my arm for 30 minutes, and I'll do this for at least 3 days so we can at least see a difference, you know. If I don't see any difference, I'm going to stop. It's not like a big deal, to be honest. It's not a big deal for me. But let me just pause here to take like a screenshot of my before. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the mixing and show you guys how I'm applying, but I'm not gonna show you guys how I'm waiting and how I'm taking it off after 30 minutes because that's doing the most, and I'm not trying to do the most. So let's go.
And the space in between isn't empty and contains all information. Then he realized that the tonal and the light, everything is a mirror that reflects light and creates images of that light.
I just got back from work not long ago, and I just quickly changed, and I kind of want to do like Starbucks Copycat Christmas drinks. I think I'm going to be trying 4 of them based on the ingredients I have at home right now, and then we'll see. I think I'll just also finish up with like a chit chat video, like Christmas gifting, since it's that time of the year. I got this, I don't know, I don't think I'm going to wear it in this video though. An apron. I kind of like it, but it looks, I don't know, it doesn't look me at all, even though I liked it when I was getting it. I thought I was going to use it for this video, but I don't think so anymore. So there we go, it's going back to where it came from. All right, let me set up my camera and we'll go ahead and get started. I really want to finish this video before it actually gets dark. So I don't know about you guys, but for me during the Christmas period, I love going to Starbucks to get their drinks, and I thought for some reason this year I might try to do a lot more drinks at home. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the very first try for all of my favorite Starbucks drinks that I like getting during the holidays. And again, it's going to be the very first time trying it out, so if I mess it up, and I'm just going to be making a DIY, so I'm not having any standard recipes. So please make sure that you follow recipes if you're trying to follow any of this. Don't make any random recipe and then call my name, because I did not ask you to do that. But my favorite of all of the drinks is the green tea frap, which I like because of the matcha tea. I love this. I used to put this in my smoothies, but sometimes not so much. But I would like drinking. I think the green tea frap is usually my go-to, and I'm very glad that I have this at home and I can easily do it myself. So I've gone ahead and laid out all the ingredients that I may be using for this particular recipe. So I'm going to be making 4 drinks. So I'm going to be making the Santa Claus frap, the green tea frap, the Eggnog Latte, and the Peppermint Hot Chocolate. So that's what you're going to be watching me make, and I'm going to be making them in very random order. So let's see what we're going to start with. So we'll just go ahead and start with the Santa Claus frap. And for my strawberry puree, I'm going to use regular frozen strawberries. The ones, I think is the overstock that I got from when I was making the smoothie, my very first Vlogmas vlog. This is the overstock, and I took this out of the freezer before I went to work. I think it's a very bad idea because it's very kind of soggy right now. Not good. Not good. Oh, I know that's a bad kitchen technique as well. But my glasses are very little, so I'm not going to be doing a lot just because I'm not looking for a lot of overstock as well. So you can go ahead and buy strawberry puree for this recipe, or you can blend it yourself, or you can like blend fresh strawberries. So I'm supposed to put this under and then put vanilla bean cream on it. Now the story is I do not have vanilla bean cream, but I do have vanilla bean in different forms. So the very first one is ice cream, right? Or this yogurt. I love this particular vanilla bean yogurt, and I also love the ice cream. I may use the ice cream. Actually, you should use the ice cream. So I was supposed to blend like ice with milk and the vanilla bean paste, but I do not have that vanilla bean paste. So I'm not gonna put ice obviously because I'm gonna be using ice cream. So I'll just use some ice cream and milk, even though it's kind of redundant. But I'll use ice cream and pour some milk and blend it. And I think that's the end of the drink. Very easy. Not very healthy, but very easy. So that's what I needed. I should probably just add some vanilla. I'll just add some vanilla in here. I just left the strawberries inside just because it's the same drink. So I love how it looks. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. So drink number 1 is done, and that was easy. Very easy. That's it. So the second will be the Eggnog Latte, and I'm going to be using espresso since I do not have the espresso machine. It's one of these espresso roasts that you get from the store. For Starbucks lovers who don't have a lot of the Starbucks machines. And this one, I don't know if I can show very well. 2 tablespoons of coffee in one 6 ounce of water, whatever. So I just thought I would take the 2 tablespoons, like the instant coffee, the regular instant coffee, because I know a lot of people get like the instant coffee espresso. I thought I was just gonna take the spoons and then mix it, and then there we go, we have our espresso. But unfortunately not. So I'm gonna find out how to make this roast. I mean, there's a coffee machine here, but let me see something real quick. This is not the work I was looking to do, but I have to blend it and filter it. So I blended it and I'm letting it brew real quick, and I think we'll just move on to the next drink, just so that we don't spend too much time. The next I'm going to be making is Peppermint Hot Chocolate, and I'm going to be I don't mind it. I'm not a fan, but I don't mind drinking eggnog, especially during the holidays. So I'm just going to mix the eggnog with milk. No, you won't open it. I'll just mix it with milk and some of this espresso that was about to disappoint. Espresso is quite strong of a coffee, so I do not even play with it. I think this drink is supposed to be drunk cold, right? Oh no? Maybe not. Well, it's hot now. I was thinking of doing a cold brew, but it was kind of impossible. We're almost done with the experiment. Oh, that's cool itself. It smells. It's good. Wow, very nice and creamy. Wow, wow, wow. To create. Oh, I think I should add some whipped cream on it. Not only that, I think I should move them a little bit closer. So. When you guys go to Starbucks, you usually ask for whipped cream on your drinks. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Oh, what are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to add some sprinkles. So they have like the smaller dispensing. That's too huge of a hole. And the under does not have any. Anyways, for the green one, I'll add some green. Wait, how did that red even go there? Alright, this is not professionally looking or professional. This is not. Do not recommend a term. But it looks. I'm not gonna lie, right? To sound very unbiased, this drink does not look as good, but it tastes really good. Like I've tasted all of them. This one is the least sweet and the most healthy. But they all taste good. And it's the holidays. I know we're healthy and all of that, but like once in a while it doesn't kill somebody. Oh, this looks like a lot of sugar. Not good. But I'm gonna chill and share this drink with the hubs. He's not into sweet things like this, so probably end up being the only one. That's why I only did 1 cup of each. Probably gonna be the only one drinking. So don't you love the color? See this eggnog one? Like you can easily tell the names. This is the Peppermint Chocolate. This is the Santa Claus Frap. This is the Eggnog Latte and the matcha green tea latte. Green tea latte.
Eventually.
A lie. I've tried all of them again, and for some reason they taste very close to how the ones in Starbucks taste. So highly recommend that you should try it by yourself. You should try these recipes yourself, especially if you have some time to spare. And I think in the long run it's cheaper, especially if you go to Starbucks every day as well. So cheers. It is day 2 of my turmeric mask try on, and I am using the same top that I wore yesterday, obviously, because I already got a stain and I'm not trying to stain a lot of my other clothing, especially since I have to hold it under my arm for 30 minutes. So I just started putting this under my arm, and that's basically the process. So I don't want us to like redo everything again that we did yesterday. Everything will be okay. I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll come back for day 3. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.